Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 28th of January. And first of all, national news. Uttarakhand dhams to reopen in late April after winter break. Row over Rahul Gandhi's security at Congress Yatra in Jammu and Kashmir. Don't screen BBC film, Tata Institute of Social Sciences told to students. 2,967 tigers in India across 53 tiger reserves, center to Supreme Court. Go first fined 10 lakh after flight left behind 55 passengers in bus. Labourer turned painter got Padma Shri at 84, awaiting concrete house. It was promised by Prime Minister. BRICS meeting in South Africa to prioritize social security issues. The first BRICS EWG and Research Network forum meetings will be held from February 21 to 24, 2023. PM advised technology fasting to children during Pariksha Pe Charcha. He said, don't consider your gadget to be smarter than you. Manish Sisodia wrote to Delhi University over ad hoc faculty raw. Guarantee fulfilled AAP chief on Punjab opening 400 new mohalla clinics. 5 people accused in the 1994 ISRO espionage case appeared before the CBI. Informers took enormous risk, should be encouraged with rewards, High Court. Belgian Malinois dogs joined canine squad at Mangaluru International Airport. And now some international news. South Africa can't keep the lights on amid worst electricity crisis. On Holocaust Remembrance Day, Volodymyr Zelensky said indifference kills. Japan to drop masking guidelines, relax COVID policy. Lunar New Year boosts Chinese tourism as COVID curbs ended. Dismissing economic gloom, UK bet on Brexit boost. Russians are approaching Ukraine town evacuated amid rising attacks. Blast near Ukraine nuclear plant. UN watchdog said Russia called it rumor. Pak actions have forced India issues notice over Indus Waters Treaty. Japan banned exports of robots, vaccines to Russia in new sanctions. Antony Blinken to urge end to violence on his Middle East trip next week. Canada said it will send 4 Leopard 2 tanks to Ukraine. France allies not at war with Russia, Foreign Minister. And now some sports news. Lakshya Sen lost in quarter-finals of Indonesia Masters. Top Indian wrestlers pull out of Zagreb Open saying they are not ready. Rampant Novak Djokovic surge into 10th Australian Open final. Stefanos Tsitsipas in dreamland after reaching Australian Open final. Thank you for inspiring millions. Sporting stars bow down to icon Sania Mirza. Shweta Sherawat shown as India beat New Zealand to reach Women's Under-19 T20 World Cup final. ICC announced all-female panel of match officials for Women's T20 World Cup. Brian Lara to assist West Indies cricket team as performance mentor. Now news related to business. Sensex Nifty plunged 1% on heavy selling in banking, financials. Foreign exchange reserve rose to near 6-month high of $573.7 billion. Tata Motors passenger vehicles to cost more from February 1. Adani Group stocks fall continues after allegations by US research firm. Remarkable progress. Air India CEO as Tata takeover completed 1 year. Pakistan PM hopeful of early settlement with IMF to unlock foreign loans. Pak currency plunged to 262 against dollar amid IMF aid uncertainty. Now, news from science and technology. Scientists created shape shifting robot that can liquefy and regain shape. New blood test can detect Alzheimer's 3.5 years before diagnosis. Worst impacts of sea level rise will hit earlier than thought, a study said. And that's all in news. Thank you.